guys, I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome back to Math Day. This is a intro video for 6A. I wanted to real quick help you to notice and go through the expectations, but I really wanted you to notice that the help session is going to be from 10 to 11 this week, and then the live session is going to be from 1 to 2. So I want to scroll down and kind of show you what you're doing and why that is. So all the way down, this should say week 7, and I will fix that, and I will link the unit plan. You're going to watch the intro video, check. You need to do your summative review on Google Slides. So my thought was go ahead and start your Google Slides, and then at 10 o'clock, hopefully you've done a lot of it, and then I can answer your questions from 10 to 11. The key is attached, and I'll show you that in a second, but make sure that you're doing it on your own so you really understand it, and then jump into the help session. We've got summative review options that are not required for this week, but there's a lot of options because we wanted to make sure that you were really prepared for your test. Then you're going to take your summative. It will post at 11. So again, the help session will be from 10 to 11, and then at 11 it will post. Again, if you take it later, that's fine, but we wanted it to be after the help session. You'll take your test. And then I will be live at 1 to do this simple probability and likelihood and tree diagrams lessons with you. And then there's going to be practice options. So I'll show you that in a second. But that's kind of the overall, and then you'll have your iReady. So looking at your unit plan, week 5, 5, 5. That is not week 5. This is week 7. It is all due on 5/8. Again, the help session from 10 to 11, the live session from 1 to 2. Here is the summative review. It will be at Google Slides. Here is the key. Here are the review options. On Boxplot, it'll be an additional Google Slides. Again, it's an option, not required, but if you're struggling with any of these things, make sure that you go back over it. MAD, mean absolute deviation, scatter plots, comparing populations, overlapping data sets. So these are worksheets that you can print out or write on a piece of paper. Again, you don't have to attach anything, but you can if you want. Comparing data, mean, median, mode, and range, dot plots, Khan Academy, histogram slides, patterns and data Quizlet, statistical question slides, and unit of measurement, attribute, and all of that Google Slides. Again, the summative will post at 11, and I will also post a paper version. So if you want to print that out and do it on there first and then put it under the Google form, that's fine. And then we have these 2 probability lessons on likelihood and simple probability, and then tree diagrams. And then you will have, you can do video lesson or the teacher live lesson at 1. And then you'll have your iReady 30 minutes or an 80% on your score. Just so you know, this is the last official week of graded work, but because we are just now starting this probability part of our unit, I am going to send out assignments for next week that I'm really, really, really going to encourage you to do because I want you to be ready for your 8th grade math next year. And I want them to be like, oh, they totally know probability. So there's going to be a few lessons that I will assign next week. Unfortunately, or fortunately, we can't require it, and I'm not going to go through and grade the work, but I will do a live session on it just like we've been doing. I will send the slides and videos because I think it's very important for you to do that. So just so you know, this is the plan for the week. The summative review, the summative, and then these 2 probability lessons for this week. And again, the review options are here, but not required. I will attach all those slides. The Google Slides that say required at the beginning, there should be 3, the summative review, the likelihood, and the tree diagrams. Those are all the ones that are required. The other ones attached to the lesson are not required, but you are welcome to do them. They're great practice. And all those keys are linked in here as well. And I encourage you to do some of those if you're struggling. Again, don't feel like you have to do all of them. Maybe just look at them and say, oh, I can do this or this to make sure that you understand it. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you during the help session or the live session. As always, either class, you know that Miss McCall is out on her maternity leave with baby Dean. I hope you got to see that picture. And I hope that reach out to me via email or Google Classroom and let me know how I can help you with anything. Have a great day, guys.